It's cold outside. It's really cold outside. And it's been a while. It's been a long while. We're now somewhere close to the border of Finland. And why are we here? We're here to buy something, or we're on our way to buy something in Finland. Because Lisa told me that's the best place to buy it. So that's why we're here. Sorry for not posting more often. It's just been a really busy fall, autumn, whatever you call it. But I got something planned. I got some videos coming up before the end of the year, including build of my camper van. Basically done. But I started in August, so when I post it, it's gonna be mostly summer clips, and I'm gonna be jealous of old Pete. We working on that car, old Petter, working on that car. It was a beautiful time. But we just slept in it. Now, in this weather, we just woke up this morning and it was cold outside, dark outside, and we drove and I started to get tired and Lisa fell asleep on my shoulder, so I asked her, do you want to just jump back into the van and just take a nap? And so we did. It was a little bit cold, but it was amazing. Now, on to the adventure, today's adventure. Let's go to Finland and buy the thing that Lisa said we need to drive to Finland to buy for some reason. Sneak peek. Finland! Woo! This store has everything. T-shirts for Lone Wolf Vikings. Star Wars skulls, pirate ship sword. Hunting gear, utensils, cooking pans, backpack, hiking cups, kids toys, games, kids toys. And never forget piñatas. Piñata. Power tools, light bulbs, wrenches, extension cords. If you ever travel to Finland, you have to buy one of these. That's what I call product placement. Yes, my girlfriend made me drive all the way to Finland to buy dried reindeer meat. She says it's really good, and she's a pescatarian. It's actually really good. Yes, this is a new office. See ya. Sorry, Rudolph. I'm hungry.